hydrostatic pressure, referred to as wellbore pressure, that provides overbalance against the formation pressure. This column must be monitored and maintained during drilling and tripping to prevent formation fluids from entering into the wellbore. During drilling, if the fluid column is not maintained with adequate mud density, making the formation pressure more than the hydrostatic pressure, formation fluids will find a way into the wellbore and a kick will occur. In this case, the well must be secured and killed. There are other cases when a kick can occur. Let's review some of them. While tripping, if there is a failure to keep the hole full of mud to maintain adequate hydrostatic head, then the hydrostatic pressure will be less than the formation pressure, inducing a kick. Swabbing while pulling out of a hole too fast can produce a suction effect, resulting in a decrease in the bottom hole pressure, large enough to allow formation fluids to enter the wellbore, creating a kick. When drilling takes place too fast and into depleted reservoirs without proper reinforcement, it can lead to cracking in the walls and thus losing fluids into the formation, inducing a kick. Once a kick is detected, the secondary well control barrier, blowout preventer, BOP, must be activated immediately by the driller to secure and shut the well for killing operations. This is done by closing the BOP using one of the BOP control panels, one situated on the rig floor and the second situated in the Kumi unit. The driller will shut in the blowout preventer to stop the flow of formation fluids out of the wellbore. Then he will activate the alarm and notify ADCO drilling supervisor and rig manager. Meanwhile, at the rig site, the on-scene commander, ADCO drilling supervisor, will notify Abu Dhabi telecom operator and relevant assets control room and raise emergency Tier 1, which activates appropriate emergency response teams. Unnecessary crew will be evacuated to the nearest assembly point. The next step will be to monitor the shut-in drill pipe and the shut-in casing pressure gauges. The kick will be circulated out of the wellbore using the driller method first cycle by pumping drilling fluid downstream and getting returns from the annulus through the choke line to the choke manifold, and the pour buoy degasser and toxic gases will be flared. Once the kick is out, the well will be shut in. Then, the well will be killed with weighted mud by circulating the kill fluid until both the drill pipe and casing pressures reach zero. If all of the well control barriers failed, such as human barriers, BOP equipment barriers and system barriers, and the BOP leaked while circulating the kick out, this could lead to uncontrolled flow of formation fluids and possibly a blowout. A blowout has massive catastrophic consequences, such as injuries and/or fatalities of personnel, release of toxic gases, pollution of the environment, asset damage, and damage of ADCO's image and reputation.